How to change the language on Netflix. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can change the language on Netflix, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to change the language on Netflix, all you have to do is simply first of all go ahead and then open up Netflix. Now let's say you're on the Netflix application and then maybe that you want to change the language for a specific profile because the language is just messed up, it is in some other language. To do so, when you're on the profile page, you don't want to go ahead and select your profile. Instead, what you want to do is you want to tap the edit button from the top right and then you'll enable editing for these profiles. Now once you've done that, select the profile for which you would like to change the language of. Once you select the profile for which you would like to change the language, at the very top you can say display language. In case you do not understand what is going on right now, then you can also look for this A icon right over here to change the display language, and when you tap on that icon you'll be able to see a list of other languages available, and then you can just go ahead and select the language that you'd like and then just convert into that way respectively. Once you've done that, you can just come back. If you want to change audio and subtitles language, you can select that as well, and you can choose a default language for your movies and TV shows. So this way you can change the language on Netflix. Do not worry because the changes are also going to get saved automatically. So hope this video helped you guys. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.